Hello. So in the assignment 2, our group member is Sai, Suman, Harris, and me as a KU. So our assignment 2 is based on the Herrick School Network. So here in the Cisco Packet Tracer, we open the whole network, and in this network, there is a different type of department, like academic department is there, HR department is there, like IT support, finance, and sport department is there. And every department have their IP addresses and the subnet addresses. And apart from this, in the academic department, there is the different type of the equipments, like the PCs is there, server is there, access point is there, and the whole the four equipments connected with the switches, and switch is connected to the router. So the all the thing is same to the other department. And in this there is the network topology diagram for the whole 5 department. And for the designing purpose, there is the different type of configuration is there, like switch configuration, router configuration, DHCP configuration, access point configuration, and the server configuration and security configuration is there. So first we will discuss switch configuration. So for the making the switch configuration, there is the 6 different type of step is there. The first step is access the switch configuration. So in the Cisco Packet Tracer, let's take the example of the academic department, and in the academic department there is the switch. If you click on this switch, then there is the screen is open, and in this screen there is the configuration part is there, and the other part is attributes. Command line interface is there. So in this command line interface, we need to create the virtual local area networks. So in this virtual local area network, we need to create the distinct virtual local area network for each and every department. So here we will create we will create it like a blend 10, blend 20, 30, 40, and 50 for each and every department. So here we can show that like interface VLAN 10 means our switch is connected to the VLAN, and after that the same strategy applied to the each department. And for the assigning the switch port, we need to do the interface with the router. So here we can see that our interface is connected to the fast Ethernet. So this is the switch configuration. The all the thing is same for HR department, IT support, finance, and sport. The step 5 is a enable of a interVLAN routing. So for this, we need to do is like we need to go into the Cisco Packet Tracer, and in the Cisco Packet Tracer, we are going to the switches. So in these switches, there is the one line like a link 5. The interface fast Ethernet port 4 is connected. So this is the enable of a interVLAN routing. Why the interVLAN routing is needed? Like in this networking, the whole 4 equipments are doing the communication with each other, not to the other department. That's why the interVLAN routing is needed. And the last part is a save the configuration. So these command line argument are used for the saving the whole configuration into the switch configuration. So the base and the write memory for the saving purpose. So save the configuration. So here is switch configuration is ended, and the next configuration is the router configuration. So in this router configuration, the first step is a access router configuration, and enter the global configuration mode. And for that, we need to go into the Cisco packet tracer, and here the we can see the upward side. There is the different four router is there, and if we click on this router, there is the screen is a pop-up. Like in this screen, we can see that there is a different type of option is there, like physical config and the command line interface is there. So in this the command line interface, we can see that our protocol is connected to the fast Ethernet port number 6. So with the help of this, we can connect the router to the interface, and the same thing is applied for the academic, HR, IT support, finance, and the sports. Here we can see in this spot there is the two type of IP address is there. The first four part is for IP address, and the last part is a subnet mask for this department. And after applying this command in the command cell, which we shown in it's shown in the Cisco packet tracer, and after this we need to save the whole things with the help of the AND command and the write memory command. And other configuration is a DHCP configuration. So in the DHCP configuration, like there is a other 5 step is there for the DHCP configuration. So in the DHCP configuration, we need to check the server part. Like if we take the example of the academic part, so in the academic part, server is there. If we click on the server, then we will see there is the list of option is there, but we are doing the DHCP configuration, so we need to click on the DHCP. And in this DHCP, there is the different option is there, like what is the start IP address of our network, what is the subnet mask. We will need to define this thing before the starting of the networking. And also we need to give the maximum number of the user. And after giving this, we will complete the configuration of a global mode. And after that, there is the configuration of a DHCP pool is there for the different department. So for that, in the Cisco packet tracer, if we go into the server part, and in the DHCP, we will see the server pool is there. And in the server pool, there is the different type of option is there, like DNS server, subnet mask, the max user, and the TFTP server. So in the server pool, there is the all the thing is mentioned. So this is the DHCP pool for each and every department. So we need to establish the connection for the all department, like academic, HR, IT support, finance, and the sport. And after the doing this type of the command line interface things, we need to the save our whole configuration. So the same code as the previous, we need to and write memory. And the other part is a access point configuration. Access point means the endpoint of the any network. Like in our network, we have the different type of equipment, like the for the academic, there is a PC1 and the PC2 is there. So if we will click on the PC1, we will see there is a different type of configuration is there, like IP configuration, dial-up, terminal, and command prompt. If we click on the IP configuration, we will see there is the two type of option, like a DHCP configuration and the static configuration. And we need to click the DHCP configuration. And in this configuration, we will give to, the IP address of the our network, like IP address and the subnet mask address. So after giving this, we will need to go to the config. So like here we go into the config. So there is the also two option is there, like DHCP and the static. And in this we are selecting the DHCP, and the default gateway and the DNS server is available. And the last part is yeah, in the access point configuration, the main thing is the encryption. So for the encryption part, we will check like in this endpoint interface settings. Just a minute. Okay, so here we need to do encryption type is AES. It means Advanced Encryption Standard, which is the latest standard of the encryption system for each and every department. So we need to click this for each and every department. Like here we can see for HR, IT, and sport department is there. The other configuration is a server configuration. So in the server configuration, the every department has its unique IP address for their network. So here we can see that there is a each and every department have a unique IP address. And the other thing is a security configuration. Security configuration is a major thing of this project, like why we need to apply the security configuration, because we can see that there is a different department is there. So each department can do communication inside their virtual local area network. Like if I take the example of academic, so academic whole devices can communicate with each other. Like academic department PC is not communicate with the other department PC directly. So that's why we need to configure the academic firewalls. So here the firewall rules is there, like the base command, and after that we will need to apply this all command in the command cell. And here the command is shown what the use of this command. Like here the allow internal traffic, it means the academic department devices can communicate with each other with the help of this command. But on the other line we can see the deny IP of any, means if another department request is made on that network, so it can deny with the help of these firewall rules. And after the completion of this configuration, we end and write the memory for the saving the firewall rules. The next thing is switch port security. In the switch port security, we also apply the different type of commands for security purpose. And the last thing is snapshot of ping connectivity. So here the snapshot ping connectivity is applied for each and every department. Like if we will click on this, and after that there is on the desktop, this, just on PC there is the command prompt, and on this the command prompt, if we pinging our IP address 91.168.6.254 and enter. Sorry, the command is in 192.168.6.1254. So here the ping command is running. It means the PC1 packet is sent to the switch. It is completed. So our packet switching is working completely. And apart from this all is applied for like IT support, HR department, finance department, and the sport department. So the outcome is there, like here the seamless support of digital learning is there, and one-to-one connectivity is done, and it is a efficient network management throughout centralized control. But here the some limitation is there, like budget constraints maybe limit the immediate expansion. And other limitation is there, like plan for the network expansion by adding more switches and more access point, and the other equipments are necessary. So in the conclusion, the Herrick School district network can meet their requirement with the help of the different type of the equipment we will show in the Cisco Packet Tracer. And thank you. This is our presentation for assignment 2. 502.
నిగ్రహం